Hey guys, here we are in Raft, and today we are in the loading screen of Raft while we're waiting for this new world to load up. I played Raft a little bit so far, but not much, so I'm not an expert. So this is going to be Season 1 of Raft, Season 1, Episode 1. We're playing in Peaceful because I'm not good at the game, and yeah, hopefully this is going to turn out well. And I should have a film coming out in like a couple days, or like a vlog sort of thing, because during the break, I went on vacation to, I had just like the week off, and during the weekend we went out to Monterey, had a good time. Hopefully there will be some good footage that I can upload and edit down, because we were there for a good 2 hours, and I have a good amount of footage that I'll have to edit down off my GoPro, because we did do some underwater filming, which is nice. And here we are in Raft. If you guys are not already familiar to this game, if you guys are familiar to this game, then I will put up a link. If you're familiar to the game and you really want to get it for yourself, I will put a link to Steam. I'll put a link to the Raft Discord. Okay, and of course I missed. Let's go over here. How to get this plastic. This game has been out for a while, so I'm pretty late to it, but that's okay. There is this new game that is coming to Steam soon called Mike Goes on a Hike, and I think I'll probably start playing that on the channel once it comes out. I have it followed on Steam, so I should be able to find out whenever it comes available to Steam. I just gotta wait until we get over here to plastic. I try not to edit these videos much because there's not much to edit out. I like to show all the footage. That is gonna make this series a lot longer, a lot more episodes, because we're gonna have all of the grindy work on camera. Well, maybe not all of it, but a good amount of grindy work on camera. We still need more plastic. Come on. Got plastic. Let's make the cup. What do we need for the purifier? More plastic and some more leaves. So that might be enough plastic. I think I'll need like one more plastic. Let's just get this one. Pick up the palm leaf and get even more. Like, I don't really understand why you need 6 palm leaves to make that one piece, but I guess that's the way the logic works in this game. Okay, like right now I'm gonna have everything kind of confined. Quickly put some salt water in there. Like as quick as possible, I want to get all the advanced. I want to get the advanced grill and the advanced purifier, so I can purify. I think it's like 6 cups of water in like a matter of minutes, which is a lot better than having to spend forever purifying 1 cup. Does that make sense? Yeah. This might be a little quiet, but hopefully you don't mind. Okay, there goes my plastic hook. It's got the grill, so let's make some planks. Oh, I'm gonna need some scrap. Okay, that's kind of a problem. Let's make another plastic hook. I believe, yeah, not quite running out of durability, but it'll last a while, and we'll have the hook if we need it. Planning to get, is that an island? Okay, that is an island. Do I have any stones? Don't have any stones. Come on. Can I get some stones from this crate, please? Just want to go to that island that's right over there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Hopefully you can, but there's an island over. Yeah, now you can see it. Right there in the corner. 1 stone. How many do you need? Let's see, for the throwable anchor. 4 stones? What? Oh, what I can do, though, I can make a paddle. paddle. Let's see. I need more plastic and more of basically everything. I do have my own world for Raft, but I'm not going to be playing that for the series because I've already gotten pretty far into the game. Not quite technically completed it, but I've gotten close. Now that I'm thinking about this, oh, I might have enough stone. I'll need a couple more stones to build it. Let's see. So navigation, durable anchor, one more stone, and then I need some rope. Yep, I can make all that rope. I just need some more stones. Please, 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 will you just give me a stone? Okay. Stone. Craft a throwable anchor. And then, good, we have that. So, I'll place that right here, and then I can throw that into the water when we need to do so. Okay, we're coming up on the island. So I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to get on top of it. I'll probably be able to get some of the resources from under the island. Drop it. Okay, I guess you can't drop. Oh, okay, you can. Okay, you can do that. You can drop it. And let's let go. Perfect timing. Where is my building hammer? Do you seriously have to build a build hammer? Oh yeah, that's right, you do. I'll make the build hammer, and then since I have a little bit of wood to spare, and then I'll go this. Can I get up there? Nope. I'll actually go over to this raft because since I'm playing in easy mode, sharks aren't a threat. Are not a threat, I should say. Great, these potatoes are literally giving me no food. Great. Potatoes are kind of filling in real life. So this part of the game is a bit grindy, but it's fun. Is that seriously another island literally right there? Yep, another island. That one it doesn't look like I'll be able to get to the top of, but I will definitely swim over there and get some resources. I'm not actually quite sure if these are actually supposed to be. We got a recipe for simple fish soup. I wonder if these rafts that are sinking, I wonder if they are actually based off of real rafts that actual people have made in the game, or if they're just like naturally generated, or if they're just randomly generated. So you got a hinge, glass, and a bolt. So we're gonna need to research that in the research table once we can get that. Once again, I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. I would really like to get to 100 subscribers, or at least 10 subscribers soon, so I can do the video for that. Yeah. I mean, every channel has to start somewhere. You can throw hooks when you're on the boat, but not when you're under the boat. I guess that kind of makes sense. So if I... Seriously? And I can't destroy that. Great. I don't have the axe yet. Could I possibly just build... Yeah, I could. Can I get up there? Because I can't destroy this. I don't have an axe yet. Oh, what I could do is I could just go down here. Ooh, a giant clam. Let's go get that, and then I'll make the axe right now. And I can destroy that, and I'll at least get some resources back. So since I'm in peaceful mode, I can just go off the raft. Peaceful mode. I can't go off the raft without worrying about like the shark. Yeah. More potatoes. Okay, one more rope. Yay, stone axe. Yeah, and then once we get on the island, we can chop down some of the palm trees so we can get some wood, palm seeds, coconuts, and stuff like that. This actually looks to be a very small, super small island. So let's chop that. Can I put this there, please? Hard to rotate. Yep, I can parkour my way up there, so I'm not stuck. So first of all, get some flowers. I have a bit of inventory room. Whenever you go to these islands, whenever I go to these islands, in my experience, I've always filled up my inventory and had to go back to the raft. And as you can see in the bottom, I'm getting like planks, palm seeds. Did I get any coconuts? No. It's not a problem, I guess. I don't really need the coconuts, but they would be useful. Nope, you can't see that island. That's out in the distance. Here's some more flowers. Later on in the game, you can make a paint mill, and so you can get so the flowers you can use it for paint, which is nice if you want to make your base colored. I normally paint it like white, black, and blue, and sometimes red, occasionally green. Now the question is there anything up here that's important? Because I can probably get up here. Yeah, nothing important up here. Yep, nothing is here. At least I did get 15 planks, which isn't bad. So now I'm gonna make, where is it? Okay, simple bed. Just need some nails, which I can make. So simple bed. Okay, where should I put this? Because I'm gonna need this bed in order to like set a respawn point. So when I die, I'm not gonna like I think lose progress or something, but I can just respawn right here on the raft. And also I can make it day. So let's make the small storage. We just need some rope. So we have some storage space. Oh, the anchor is in the way. That's why I can't place anything there. I'll eat this watermelon. I kind of need it. Like in survival games, like you eat like 4 watermelons and you're still hungry. Yeah, so I guess I have enough inventory to go down here with my hook and mine some resources. Let's get some clay, some rocks. So is there any seaweed on this plant? No matter what seaweed there. What? No seaweed? Okay. Okay, why is there no seaweed on any of these? It's supposed to be seaweed, and there's my anchor. By the way, the music in this game is beautiful. It is so nice. I still haven't hooked up the recorder to like record the screen. To just record. It only records my audio, like the audio I'm speaking. Oh, we're drowning. Don't lose health. Lost a little bit of health. It only records like the sounds that are like that I'm saying. So it won't record screen like audio from my computer. It'll just record